Do you want to know how you can log in to your loan depot account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your loan depot account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar, search for loan depot login. Now, click on the second link which appears on your screen and then click loan servicing. What you need to do is click login, which you can see on the middle of the screen. After you tap on login, a new web page or website will open up, which is the official login portal of Loan Depot. Go ahead and fill your email address and write down the password related with the Loan Depot account. After you write down your email address and password, you can click sign in and then you can successfully sign in to your Loan Depot account. You can hide or unhide your password by clicking on this I button, and if you have forgotten your email, click on this link, and if you have forgotten your password, this link will help you. If you still don't have a Loan Depot account, click register now and create a Loan Depot account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log in or sign into your Loan Depot account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.